I am about to teach you how to create your own news channel using the power of AI. Running a news station has always been a daunting task that you have to have a news studio, hire staff, and a bunch of other things in order to run. But that ends today, thanks to this AI. With this AI tool, you can create a professional news studio in just seconds. It is so easy that even your grandma can do it. Let's hop on to the step-by-step tutorial of how to create one. First, head on to Canva, click on the Create Design button and select the YouTube video template. Next, search the News Studio template. Select a breaking news intro, the type you would normally see on a professional channel. Then select a newsroom that you will use as background for your video, then add it to the editing panel. Go ahead and delete the video that is there already, and just leave the background. Then, duplicate the newsroom you just added. In one of the duplicates, delete the news title and just leave the background. In the other duplicate, delete the background and leave the news title and change the background color to green. Secondly, head over to Google and search for breaking news. For educational purposes only, I am using an article from Reuters. I do not own or claim to own any of it. Once you have found an article you like, copy the title and put it in the news title in your video in Canva. Then download your video and head on to the next step. If you are still watching, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. All I ask you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support is much appreciated. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments section. I appreciate you all. For the third step, head on to a website called Hagen. I have put the link in the bio. Create an account and log in. Once signed up, you are going to be given 1 video credit, which is enough to complete this tutorial. Otherwise, if you want to create a longer video, then you will need to purchase a plan. Now, click on the avatar button, then select an avatar of your choosing. After selecting your desired avatar, head back to the previous article and copy the article body, which is what we will use in our video. Paste the article in the text box. Once satisfied with how the AI character reads, click on the Submit button on the right corner to generate your video. This will take a few minutes to complete. Download it once it is ready. Now let's put everything together to create a wonderful video. Head on to your favorite video editor and drag the video footage in. I am using CapCut in this video. For the video we created in Canva, we will need to cut it into the 3 separate parts, just as it was when in Canva. Put the video intro and background in the first layer, the AI video on the second layer, then the video with the green background on a third layer above. Adjust your clips to fit together. Then use the chroma key to remove the green background from the video. Also, remove the background of the AI video as well. Now there is just one more thing remaining, which is a breaking news soundtrack. Head over to a website called mixkit.io and search for breaking news in the music category. Choose any music you like. Then add the music to your video and voila, it is now ready. Before we listen to the video we just created, I want to thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. Let's take a listen.
Breaking news. A senior Hamas official said the group is open to discussions over a possible truce with Israel, having achieved its targets. Musa Abu Marzouk told Al Jazeera in a phone interview that Hamas was open to something of that sort and all political dialogues when asked whether the Islamist group is willing to discuss a possible ceasefire.